Yo guys, welcome back to Breakfast Podcast. Hope you all have a great day. There's a car driving by us currently looking at us very oddly. So we're going to do one watermelon where we wail on it, and then the other watermelon where we do the rubber band day-old question, how many rubber bands. The reason that we're doing this is because these watermelons were already bad.
Are bad?
Yeah, apparently. I asked my dad to go buy the worst ones, and this was the worst one.
I think they're just the worst ones because they're small.
So which one are we blowing up?
We're rubber banding that one. This one is my special one for later.
Give me a time lapse.
Cooper doesn't know about that. This thing better hurry, bro. Cooper's license plate is 8675309.
If you can find the square root of pi, I'll give you Cooper's license and plate number.
That is a little kid.
Driving?
Yes.
That's illegal.
For all the police, the license plate number.
They're also driving on the wrong side of the road.
No.
It's because it's a kid, dude. He doesn't know he's British.
Oi, bro.
Oh wait, that's the cop's kid.
Oh, so he.
Let me stretch these.
Oh my gosh. And 4 M's like Papa.
Once it starts to give, we'll move the camera back.
Cooper. Skinny little. What's his name? C-Bone would say.
It does not go down.
It do go down. Hold up.
This is like twice as many.
Gosh!
Don't do that.
Oh, my finger. Wait, look, let's do this.
Look how many big ones there
We
were.
can do these. There's a whole bunch of thin ones. You know how many
You
dudes?
guys remember Yoshi monsters?
No.
Bro, whenever they had like the little.
Hey, blue and yellow for Ukraine.
I would,
You didn't do this.
Y'all doing your workout for the day.
Oh my gosh, I'm getting such a good lat pump right now.
Oh, what pump?
A lat. Your lat. Ethan, why would you point it towards yourself? Hey Ethan, I think this might be a new record for bands in one go.
What would have happened if it just snapped?
Those bands would have snapped?
Yeah.
I would have ended up in the creek.
What?
I'd be Rolfing right now.
Raphael, right?
Oh, how many is that?
That's like 8 of the big ones.
Here, I got some.
Wait.
I don't see an indent yet.
Yeah, I don't either.
Guys, we're
There's
like,
little ones.
we're like halfway done.
Oh, Cooper.
I'm getting a cramp.
My shoulder.
Of all the things you shoulder. Alright, go.
Back up.
I didn't expect him to actually do it. Breaks me off the piece.
That's all the pent up rage from work.
Poor table.
That'd be really awkward if my mom came home.
You got hungry.
Skinny little, you know. You gotta come this way. Oh, there we go. Lightweight.
Henry's helping. Not with you, Hewlett, only with Cooper. Me and Cooper snuggled last night,
He
hardcore.
spooned me so hard.
That.
Wait. Hewlett, you pull on. pull on that.
Hewlett, get it.
Move it this way.
Get it taken.
Oh!
Oh, that's a lot better.
Oh,
Trifecta.
The triple entente.
I just felt some give.
Oh yeah, there's a dip now.
Okay, so wait, we can do that, the three of us, because we can put on more like that.
Yeah, it's fast.
Ah! Holy crap! I thought you made that.
Oh, there's an indent now for sure.
Yeah, a little bit. Looks like grab a handful.
Have 3 seconds.
What if this is one of those sneaky Jamaican silent watermelons?
That the ones with
Oh,
the batter in it?
Only Quincy will be able to tell us.
Okay,
no,
it
no,
might
no,
be
no.
all 4 of them.
Yeah, we need Henry. C-Bum would be proud. Oh, one just snapped.
One just snapped.
We're good. We are chilling.
What if we don't have enough rubber bands?
Oh, no.
No,
well,
we definitely do. Born in the USSR.
As Mr. Davis says, nothing bad happens to the Kennedys when the USSR is in power.
oh, that's lightweight.
Alright, baby.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, buddy.
My workout done for today.
Okay.
Wait, why does it look like it's...
Yeah, it looks like it's starting to swell.
Yeah, there's
Because there's an indent.
Who am I? Am I not unique? Maybe I'm not here.
Oh, no.
This is a 3-3.
Ah, gosh. Yeah, we need to look. Henry, help us. Later.
Both of them later.
You got it right in the middle.
Looks like I'm holding a bomb.
Cooper's paranoid.
No, I'm serious.
Where's your rubber bands?
Don't look over at Ethan.
They need to come down on this side.
Take your fingers off. It's gonna be a good. Bro.
Yeah, that's why I said it
Ruined
needs
it.
to go down.
Whoa.
Okay. Bro, y'all remember Silly Bands?
Yeah.
Yes.
That's what this reminds me of.
There, something just came out of that. It just skirted.
Skirted. Ethan Henry, put it down.
I think it's wet, but we're gonna keep going.
Oh, it's juicing.
Yeah, it's about to go. Oh, that was easy. We might not have enough watermelon.
Not enough watermelon.
Enough water.
This was after Henry overestimated.
You have to get in on this.
Ethan, you gotta go down.
No.
Is it a 4-man
This one's the one that goes.
Quincy just needs to be up there in the window
On the
recording
side,
this.
you know.
Boom! It's oozing. I can hear it. Like,
little
no,
squeeze.
be really quiet and put your ear beside you.
I think, no, that would be too big. We wouldn't be able to do it. I'm gonna put these in this one.
You can hear it.
Come on, this isn't gonna be
That
like.
giant last one.
You want to put all these together in one
Yes. A fourfer.
to finish it off? Oh.
That's how's it gonna go down there. Well, that's
hear
all
it?
I've ever been.
I've heard it.
Oh yeah, it's cracking.
Okay, y'all just want.
There's a line right there that wasn't there before.
There's a line.
Y'all just want to push.
Yeah.
Wait.
It's definitely going.
We got exactly enough.
Welcome to the poking game.
Okay, we gotta take turns. Okay, good. Okay, I think we. Oh my gosh, Henry!
Some point it's gonna explode.
Oh my gosh, that hurt!
The thunderclap.
I'm gonna use my tiger heel.
Wait, I said we just all could push it.
So we all just get a good.
No, we're gonna die if we do this.
no. As long as our heads aren't in the way.
So yeah, do it
I'll
like
do
this.
it.
No, stop.
Don't put it at me!
We need more people, dude. Come on now.
My head's right in my
Oh my gosh! I think the bats are option.
I think, yeah.
Like,
the
they all
bat.
like a pinata sort of.
But we don't hit it as hard as we can, though.
Yeah.
I said we don't.
One fire.
No, Ethan, go get the bat. Oh, we hit it harder with our hands.
Yeah, we're just tapping it this time.
So we have to hold it when I hit
No.
it. Yes. Good ball.
You're the only one who wants to risk their life, Cooper. Where's that crack?
Wait,
That's
let's
not
just
a
lay it
crack.
on the side. That's not a crack. Oh, wait a minute.
Yeah, let's put it in the best option. Get the
You
most
gonna
for
roll?
it.
Oh, shoot it. Just.
You're gonna get a circle.
Yeah, go next circle. Henry, what? Oh!
What just happened?
Wait, Ethan, wait.
It didn't even pop in the right spot.
Okay. Who's gonna do it? Henry, you do it.
Yeah, it's your house, Henry. You do it.
Am I whacking it as hard as I can?
Yes, just go for it.
All right, make sure the camera is still a thing.
Yeah, okay, you do it.
Wait. Yeah.
Okay, go.
Let me get a sip. Yo, we need to keep this in the podcast.
Ethan just farted, bro.
That's delicious.
Ooh, watermelon.
It's just one.
Hopefully you all enjoyed today's episode.
Oh, Henry, we solved the second one.
I know, but oh yeah. So are we just gonna punch that one?
I am going to one punch this thing.
I say we take turns punching it.
Not if I get it on the first try.
Well, no, I'll put that in the. Ah!